Hi everyone, Dr. Bam here. I just wanted to take a moment to talk about Lev Vygotsky since this is where our book kind of introduces him. We'll go into him more in future chapters. But as you can see, he was a theorist that practiced 1896 to 1934. He is actually out of Russia, which kind of delayed some of his research and information getting over here to the US just due to some of the conflicts and things going on there. But he really developed out and fleshed out a theory that is called the social-cultural, Vygotsky social-cultural theory is what we typically saw it, but his focus was more on the nurture side of things. And so he really looked at the impact of the social and cultural environments that the children were put into and how they influence what they do. So kind of like I was talking in the last video about object permanence, or the video about object permanence, if I move this video around, sorry about that. Is the object permanence being just naturally developed in the maturation of the child, or is that object permanence being encouraged by the environment in which it was set, the social and cultural nature of it? So are there games like peekaboo that is naturally played with young children that encourages them to kind of develop and think about what's going on there? Are people hiding things in little containers that they can find and shake and hear and figure out that something's in there? So a child having those experiences may develop that concept of object permanence quicker than a child not having those experiences, although they'll both naturally, genetically mature and develop the concept of object permanence. Is the social cultural environment of that he is in impacting the rate in which they find that? So Vygotsky would say yes, that social cultural environment are key in the development of a lot of these activities, where Piaget kind of saw it more as a stage theory and that they're going to hit those things naturally just through their development. So I just wanted to bring up that, and there's a quick question for you to answer, and I'll see y'all later.